Hi guys, hope you're all doing great. So, in the last class, we have learned how we can download Tally setup file and how to create a company in Tally. So, today I will teach you how to create ledgers and how to enter opening balances in that. When you open Tally, you will see this screen. Okay, you have to go to select company first option, select required company and you will come to gateway of Tally. This is the main screen of Tally, gateway of Tally. So under the masters head you have accounts info. So we are learning how to create ledgers in Tally, okay, and how to enter the opening balances. Accounts info, you have to go to accounts info first option and you have to go to ledgers and you have to go to create. So we have last year's opening balance Excel sheet. So let us create one by one. First one is owner's capital. I don't want to type these things, so I will copy and paste. Just copy, paste. See, owner's capital. We have here. You can see there are 28 default groups in Tally. Along with this, if you want some more, you can create. By default, it will be 28 groups. So and means while selecting the group you should be very careful, okay. The name which you give, it is for your reference, okay, and the grouping is for Tally reporting. The Tally will generate the reports on the basis of this grouping. So whichever the group you will select, on the basis of that it will generate reports. So while selecting the group you should be very careful. So owner's capital, it will go under which group? Exactly under capital, capital account. So inventory values are affected, it is not required. And come to opening balance. Okay, here you have opening balance on 1 April 2017. You just copy the amount also, copy and paste it. Debit credit, it will take automatically on the basis of the grouping. Enter, accept, enter. You have to accept the ledger, you have to press enter or you can click on S, okay. And second one is loan from SBI, copy, paste. Loan from SBI, under which group it will go, you can select loans and liability. You have loans and liability and secured loans. Since it is from SBI, let us select secured loans, okay. Reserve at the end, copy the opening balance, paste it, enter. That's it. Next, this is the group, okay. We will learn how to create group there, we will learn later, okay. We will just see how to create ledgers now. So next ledger is ABC company, copy, paste it. ABC company, since it's a party ledger, okay, since it is your supplier, you have to select which group. Here you have sundry debtors and creditors. You have to select sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is nothing but it will the all suppliers will go into sundry creditors, okay. Here one option you have to enable, that is maintain balances bill by bill. By default it will be yes. If it is no, you have to enable it. It is very important. Why it is important, I will teach you later. Okay, you can type the address here. You can maintain complete profile of this company: address, country, contact person name, phone number, mobile number, everything you can enter. Now I'm not entering anything. Just enter. Print. Just select amount, copy, paste it. That is the closing balance as of 31st 3 2017. If you have any reference to this balance, you can enter any reference, bill number or anything. It is bill number 123. I say bill number 123. You will be having references. You can enter reference to find out what balance it is. Okay, you will see the effect of this reference in the future. I will show you where you can see this reference. Just enter, accept. Next one, Faisal establishment, copy, paste it. Same, it will also go under sundry creditors, maintain balances, bill is address, enter. Just enter. You have to use enter. I'm using enter button. Okay. You have to copy this, paste it. Enter. If you have any reference, you can 2 3 4. I enter reference. Enter. Next one is executor establishment. Just enter. This is also under sundry creditors. It's also your supplier. So enter. Just copy this amount, paste it. 3 4 5. You will be having actual reference bill number or something, but I'm entering randomly. But you have to, if you want, you can enter proper reference. Enter. Accept. Next one is advance from customer. Advance from customer. Under which side it is? Liability side. Advance from customer is nothing but current liability. All the groups, all the required groups will be there, and the default groups, 28 groups. So you can just select that current liabilities. Inventory orders are not affected. Just select that amount, paste it. Enter. Next one is income tax payable, IT payable. IT payable, for the last year's net profit, you have to create some provisions. IT payable provision, you can either create under current liabilities or under provision. That will also go under liability. So you can create provisions. Okay, enter, accept. So let us come to asset side. Fixed asset group is already there. So land and building, copy this, paste it. Land and building, it will go under which group? Since it is fixed asset, I have to select fixed asset group. copy, paste it, 20 lakhs. Next one is machinery. That is also same under fixed assets. Enter, enter, enter. The amount, copy, paste it. Next is quota. That is also fixed asset of the company. So opening balance is 70,000. Okay. Next one is under current asset. We have healthy and free establishment. It is nothing but your party customer. You select that, paste it. Here all your customer will go under current assets. Current assets, one more group will be there. You have to select that. That is sundry debtors. Finally, that will go under current assets. For proper classification and maintain bills properly, you have to select this group, sundry debtors. Okay. You can call it trade debtors also. Trade debtors. Copy. Paste it. Here also, since it is your customer, like supplier, you can also enter your bill number, your company bill number. You will raise the invoice on the customer, so you will have some bill numbers or other references you can enter here. I will say sales 1, 2, 3. Accept it. Next one, UK catering company. It is also your customer, so same under sundry debtors. Here also, whether it is supplier or customer, you have to enable this option, maintain balances bill by bill. Here also you can enter all the details of the party, customer or supplier. You can enter address, country, everything if you want. Enter, enter. I say sales 234. It's not bill number actually, I'm randomly. So you have to keep this in mind. You have to enter proper reference to find out which on against which invoice that is means outstanding, means it is a receivable, right, for you. So you have to enter proper reference. Accept. Cash in hand. Cash in hand. Cash you not required to create in Tally, because profit and loss and cash, both the ledgers you will have by default in Tally. So no need to create cash ledger. So just copy this and go to alter, cash, enter the balance. Again I go to create. Next one is under bank account. We have ICICI. Select that. Bank account will go under which account? Your bank balances will go under current assets. You have here, you have in Tally bank account separate separate head you have, so you can select this bank accounts, and that will finally go under current assets. You can enter all the bank details if you want. You have it's like accounts holder name, accounts account number, account holder name, number, IFSC code, bank name. It will fetch automatically, bank name will fetch automatically here. If you have internet connectivity, it will show all the bank list on the right hand side corner here. So I am not connected now, so I am just entering not applicable branch. No, just enter, and the balance is we have 10 lakhs. That's good amount. No? CSA Bank. So SBI. What is that? SBI Bank. That is also bank accounts. We'll go under bank accounts, and the opening balance is 10 lakhs. Oh, great. Nice. And the next one is prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance, which side it is? Asset side. No, right? Prepaid, all the prepaid expenses will go under current assets. So you have current assets group. Just select that. Copy. Paste it. Next one is prepaid rent. That is also current assets. Opening balance is 20,000. Enter, accept. Okay. So we have taken all the opening balances. Now let us go to Tally again. Escape, escape. To go back to enter into the menu, you have to use enter button. Enter. To go back, you have to use escape. Escape. So let us go to balance sheet now. Let us check it is matching. All things are matching. Here you have some creditors. Enter on that. You have three parties. Here also you have. Okay. And escape. Differences in opening balances. Okay, we'll see that later. We have entered all the things. Today we have learned how to create ledgers and enter opening balances. Okay, now your balance sheet, you have 10,000 opening balance, difference in opening balance. You have to find it out where you have missed liability side, you have missed some 10,000. So it is showing difference in opening balances. How to correct that, I will show you in the next class. Okay. uh, so if you have any queries, you can type on comment box. So thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed till now, you can subscribe to my channel. Kindly support. Thank you.